There was once a young man named Dhruv who lived in a quaint village surrounded by dense forests and winding rivers. Dhruv was admired for his talents. He could carve beautiful sculptures and sing melodies that moved hearts. Yet, there was one thing he struggled with: making decisions. Whenever life presented him with choices, he hesitated. Should he stay in the village or explore the world? Should he learn a new craft or perfect the ones he already knew? Each question felt like a weight on his shoulders. Afraid of choosing wrongly, Dhruv often chose nothing, letting life decide for him. One day, tired of his indecision, Dhruv wandered into the forest seeking clarity. As he walked, he stumbled upon an ancient tree, its branches stretching high into the heavens and roots burrowed deep into the earth. It was a whispering tree, known among the villagers to offer wisdom to those who truly listen. Dhruv sat beneath the tree, and in silence of the forest, the tree whispered, "Why are you troubled, young one?" Dhruv poured his heart out. "I fear making the wrong decisions. What if I fail? What if I regret my choice?" The tree, in its ancient, calming voice, responded, "Look at me, Dhruv. Every branch you see is a choice I made. Some stretched high toward the sun and flourished, while others grew into shadows and withered. Yet, together, they make me what I am, a whole tree." The beauty of life is not in never making mistakes, but in growing from them. The words state something in Dhruv, but he was still unsure. "How will I know if I am making the right choice?" The tree answered, "You won't always know, but there is always a way to learn. First, ground yourself, just as I ground my roots. Understand your values, what matters most to you. Then, stretch towards the light. Follow the path that aligns with your heart's calling, even if it scares you. Finally, remember, no choice is wasted if it teaches you something." For the first time, Dhruv felt a sense of clarity. He realized that his fear of failure was keeping him from living fully. Every decision, even the wrong ones, would teach him and shape him. When he returned to the village, Dhruv began to embrace decisions, big and small. He chose to travel and carve stories of the people he met into his sculptures. Some choices brought success, others challenges, but all of them brought growth. Just like Dhruv, we all face moments of hesitation. Those times when the weight of uncertainty holds us back, and every path feels like it could lead to failure. But life isn't about choosing perfectly. It's about choosing courageously. Decisions may seem overwhelming because they carry the unknown, but they are the roots of growth. Each choice we make shapes us, whether it leads to light or shadow. Mistakes are not endings, but beginnings, helping us understand where we've been and where we're going. Life is a series of choices, small and large, each one a step forward in becoming who we are meant to be. So, when the crossroads come, don't fear the uncertainty. Trust your roots, stretch toward the sky, and know that with each decision, you're growing, stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Keep moving, for the beauty of life lies not in the perfection of the path, but in the courage to take it.